In this tutorial, we use a sample report along with sample records for demonstration purposes. Changing the report configuration in any way will not affect your existing records data. Feel free to experiment. The reporting time base is the second part of the report to be configured. When someone would like to get the yearly, monthly, weekly, daily, or hourly reports, this is what this part basically about. How does it relate to period type? The report period type options are explained in the previous tutorial. The time base and period type relate to each other. We won't set a yearly time base, the yearly report, for records accumulating data for only a few days unless those few records are spread across several years. We set, for example, a daily time base if we would like to report last 30 days. This is all about what type of report the user wishes and what makes sense, including the nature of the records. To have a meaningful hourly report, the records, the data, should be collected hourly. On the other side, a monthly, or even a yearly report can be composed based on those hourly records.